Okay, this set of problems is that we're finding elapsed time. Okay, how much time has passed from the first clock to the second clock? Okay, keep in mind when you're reading a regular clock, analog clock, the short hand is the hour and the long hand is minutes. So if you're looking at problem one and you're figuring out the times that are shown on the pictures, okay, both are past 6 for the hour hand. Okay, this hour hand is past the 6, and this hour hand is past the 6. Okay, so I just need to know how much time has gone by. I know they're both 6 something. Okay, 6 something in time. Okay, for the first one, okay, we know it's past 6 o'clock. The way I do it, the way I would think of it is if you start here at the 12, every minute that goes by would be what follows that 12. And every space is really worth 5 minutes. So from there to there is 5 minutes. From here to here is 5 minutes. From here to here is 5 minutes. Okay, so far we have 15 minutes past 6 o'clock. And then it looks like I have 3 more extra minutes tacked onto that. Okay, so that's 5, 10, 15, plus 3 is 18. Okay, so that's 6:18, looking at the first clock. Okay, the second clock, it's past 6 o'clock. Okay, starting here at the 12, I need to think about how many minutes will I be at if I get right there. Okay, so here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then one more little minute there, 6:41. Okay, now you could, a couple different ways you could do it. You could just take 41 minus 18. Okay, you could just take the 641 minus the 618. You do need to be careful if the hours are different because there's 60 minutes in an hour, so it's not always, borrowing 10 or 100. Okay, but in these problems, the hours are the same. You could just take 41 minus 18. Okay, 11 minus 8 is 3. We borrowed, so that 4 becomes a 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so 23 minutes. Okay, let me show you another way you could think about this briefly. Okay, if I have 6:41 on my second clock and my first clock was 6:18, try to draw it at the right spot there, pretty close. You could just kind of think about the minutes in between those two marks. Okay, each full set between each two numbers here is worth 5 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Here's 5 minutes between the 4 and the 5. Here's 5 minutes between the 5 and the 6. 5 minutes between the 6 and the 7. 5 minutes between the 7 and the 8. Okay, so I'm just looking at the hour hands of both times. Okay, so far in between both hour hands, minute hands, we have 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, notice we have 2 extras there and 1 extra there. Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20, plus the 3 extras would be 23. Okay, I didn't know if that would help some of you look at that in a different way. Just think about the 2 minute hands and try to count in between the 2 minute hands instead. Okay, you guys try 2 and 3. Try problem 2 and 3 before you check over what I write on the screen. Okay, pause the video, try 2 and 3, and then check them. Okay, problem 2. Okay, they're both 1 o'clock, past 1 o'clock. Okay, this first clock, okay, past 1, looking at the hour hand, but looking at the minute hand, it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so that's 1:35. Okay, the second clock is past 1 o'clock on the hour hand, but the minutes, you know what, if it was me, I would think of 60 minutes in an hour, and that's 3 minutes short of that. Okay, that's 3 minutes short of the entire 60. Okay, so that's really 157. Okay, so I can subtract 157 minus 135. And again, it's because I don't have to mess with borrowing minutes from hours, because we're working with the same hour. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, 22 minutes. Okay, the last one. Okay, past 10 o'clock. It looks like both hour hands are past 10 o'clock. Okay, for the first time shown, it's past 10 o'clock. How many minutes? 5, 10, 14. 14 minutes past 10 o'clock. The second clock, it's past 10 o'clock, looking at the hour hand, but the minute hand is showing, okay, start here at the 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so 10:50. Okay, so I could subtract. Okay, 10 minus 4, have to borrow there. 10 minus 4 is 6. Borrow, make that a 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so that'd be 36 minutes. Okay, do your best on the Khan Academy lessons, but please let me know if you have any questions and all, and I'll help you.